folks, so I've been running in this new little track here for my pit bike. As you can see, pretty bumpy, with a bit of mud on it. Now you might ask why I'm running around it on the Honda ATV rather than the pit bike, and to answer that I'll have to take you to this corner here. As you can see, this grass here is all laid down flat and it's also bloody slippy, and the last time I was out in the pit bike I laid the bike down here, slid it and completely ripped off the clutch lever. So today I'm going to get on and install some fold back brake lever and clutch levers, and also some lever brush protectors, just to prevent them getting caught next time I lay the bike down, because I think it's going to be quite a common occurrence until I get really used to exactly what the bike can do. So let's get back to the workshop. So now we're back in the workshop, we'll take a look at this, and then you can see that it's looks like cheap powdered metal, so it must have just got caught and pulled it back, just snapped that clean off. So get these replaced with new ones, and here's the new lever. Works exactly the same way, but it has this little pivot in the middle that allows the lever to bend back and then resets into position afterwards with the spring in there. So should be a simple direct replacement, bolt on there and just put the cable through. So I'll just get that done. Right, so it should just be a case of undoing these, which I think are 8mm. Yep. And we'll just take them off. Now it should be just a case of unscrewing this from this body here. Get that out. There we go, little one off, the broken bit. So then it should be just a case of reversing that procedure. Might as well just leave that on there and take this one off. Be the same, I would think. Right, I've not got a lot of play in this cable to enable me to connect this right, so I'm just going to undo it from the clutch end. And to do that I've just unclipped this from there. That's allowed me a lot more flex in the cable, which will assist me in getting this located in the right place. Right, I've got this little red sheath off at the minute, but it's just so you can see this a bit better. So where this cable comes out the rod on this lever thing doesn't line up very well with this track, so it's kind of biting onto the cable a bit more than I would like. So I'm tempted to just take a file and just take some of this off to allow that to sink down into this hole more, which will allow the cable to align out better in this slot here. So I'm going to do that, just to take a bit off that just with the file. and then we'll just reconnect the lever. Still not fully tighten that. And then pull it back through, and then I might have to do some adjustments just to readjust the clutch. So that's that one done. Now onto the brake. The brake is really easy. It should be just a case of undoing this bolt and putting this one on, and there we go, the brake one's fitted. Works fine. It was just a case of just undoing that, slotting a new one on. That's the new fold backs, snap back levers. Pretty impressed with them. Right, so that's the levers done. I also got these, but I don't think I'm going to fit them. The fact that none of these brackets fit, I've already tried to fit them. This end is too narrow for these bars, and this end is too thick for the bars, so it would need me to get new ones of these and possibly make a new one of those or buy one. But even at that, I don't actually like the way they look on the bike, so just not going to bother with them just now. Might come a point in time where I'll fit them, but at the moment I'm not too fussed. Because no repair is complete without a road test, just had to take it out. It's a bit wet still, so I'm not going to be kicking it too hard. Right, snap levers. But it's not snapped. Mud there, man. So, seems to work. That's it. Thanks for watching.